In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Pinterest account. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the top left and select on your profile picture just like so. From here, go ahead and select on Account Management. Then you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down until you see this option that says delete your data and account. And this will permanently delete your data and everything associated with your account. So go ahead and press on that. And then it is basically going to ask you for confirmation. And then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on continue. And then it is going to ask you why you're actually deleting Pinterest. So go ahead and select on your reason right over here and just go ahead and press on send email. So now it is actually going to send an email to our Gmail account that is going to give us the final steps to actually delete our account. So from here, you want to go ahead and open up your Gmail. All right, guys, so I just got my email right over here and it should look something like this. Anyways, guys, all you need to do is you need to go ahead and press on yes, delete account just like so. And then from there, it will go ahead and delete your Pinterest account. All right, so it's not actually going to delete your account immediately. So it is going to go ahead and delete your account and delete your Pinterest account data after 7 days. So you do have a grace period if you want to go ahead and change your mind. So that is definitely pretty cool. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.